Welcome to the An English Coffee office. Today is Monday, February 23, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. It is good to see you here.
Good morning, David. How are you today?
I'm okay, but I am very tired. I need a strong coffee right now.
I understand. Mondays are always difficult. I am making a cappuccino.
That sounds nice. I will have a black coffee. I have a long day ahead.
Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have 5 meetings with clients. I need a lot of energy.
That is a lot of work. My day is busy too. I have to plan a new project.
Is it a big project?
Yes, it is very big. We have a deadline in 2 months. It is stressful.
You are a good project manager. You can do it.
Thank you, David. I hope so. The coffee is ready now.
Great. It smells delicious. This is the best moment of the morning.
I agree. It is nice to relax for 5 minutes before we start.
Speaking of relaxing, did you see the news in the Boston Globe last week?
No, I did not see it. Which news?
It was on February 19. It is about schools.
Oh, really? What does the article say?
The government passed a new law. It is very interesting.
Tell me more. Is it about the teachers?
No, it is about the schedule. The law says schools will have a 4-day week.
Wow, only 4 days of school? When does this start?
The article says it becomes law for 2027. It is official.
That is a big change. Why are they doing this?
The government says it is for mental health. They want to improve student health.
That makes sense. Students are very stressed these days. A 3-day weekend is good for them.
Yes, I agree. But parents are worried. I am a parent and I am worried too.
Why are you worried? Is it about their education?
No, it is about the cost. Who takes care of the children on Fridays?
Ah, I see. Childcare is very expensive.
Exactly. The Boston Globe article mentions the logistics are difficult. It is a problem for working parents.
I understand. If you work 5 days but school is 4 days, you have a gap.
Yes. I need to work on Fridays. I cannot stay home.
Maybe companies will change their schedules too. That would be fair.
I hope so. But for now, it seems complicated. Parents are upset about the logistics.
It is a complex topic. It is good for kids, but hard for families.
Yes, we have 1 year to prepare. 2027 is coming soon.
Well, at least the kids will be happy. They love free time.
That is true. My son will be very happy.
Changing the subject. Did you read the Washington Post on February 18?
No, I usually read about business. What happened?
It is a story about space. It is about the moon.
The moon? Is it about a new rocket?
Not exactly. It is about mining, digging for minerals on the moon.
That sounds like a science fiction movie. Is it real?
Yes, it is real. Major countries signed a treaty. It is called the Lunar Resource Treaty.
What does the treaty say?
It claims exclusive zones on the moon for mining. They want rare minerals.
Rare minerals are valuable. That is big business.
Yes, it is. But there is a diplomatic dispute. Nations are clashing over this.
Why are they fighting? Is it about the borders?
Yes, the big countries claim the best zones. The smaller nations are upset.
I understand. The smaller nations feel left out.
Exactly. The article says smaller nations are very angry. They say it is unfair.
It is always about money and resources, even on the moon.
It is sad. Space should be for everyone, not just rich countries.
I agree, but companies see a profit. Mining rare minerals is very profitable.
I wonder what minerals they want to find.
Probably things for batteries or computers. Technology needs resources.
That is true. But fighting over the moon seems dangerous.
Politics is everywhere, Alex, even in the sky.
You are right. It is a difficult situation. I prefer to stay on Earth.
Me too. But speaking of technology, I saw something crazy on CNN.
Was it about the new phones?
No, it was an article from February 20. It is about a new headset.
I like gadgets. What does this headset do?
It is called the Dreamstream. It is a device from a tech giant.
Dreamstream? That is a funny name. What is the function?
It allows you to record your dreams. You can watch them later.
That is incredible. I can record my dreams?
Yes, you wear it when you sleep. It saves the video.
I want one. I always forget my dreams in the morning.
Wait, there is a catch. The article mentions a big problem.
What is the problem? Is it expensive?
No, the price is okay, but it has mandatory ads.
Ads? You mean advertisements?
Yes, you have to watch commercials inside your sleep.
That is terrible. I do not want ads in my dreams.
The article says it sparks a debate on privacy and mental rest too.
Of course, sleep is for resting. It is not for shopping.
I think it is clever for sales. Imagine selling products and dreams.
David, that is awful. You are a salesperson, but that is too much.
I know, I am joking. It is a bit scary.
It is very scary. Our dreams are private. Companies should not enter there.
The CNN report says people are worried about mental health. You cannot rest with ads.
I will not buy it. I prefer to sleep in peace.
Me too. But technology is moving very fast. 2026 is a crazy year.
First the school week, then the moon, and now ads and dreams.
The world is changing every day. We just have to adapt.
Yes, but I hope some things stay the same.
Like our coffee break.
Yes, like our coffee break, no ads here.
That is true. Just good coffee and good conversation.
Look at the time. It is almost 9 o'clock.
Oh no. I have my first meeting in 10 minutes.
You should go. Do not be late for your client.
You were right. I need to prepare my presentation.
Good luck with your sales today, David.
Thank you, Alex. Good luck with your project planning.
Thanks. I will see you tomorrow morning.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.